1969 Ford 600. This is the top board for the front of the box. Top board for the front of the box, okay? I took it off so I could paint easier. I did the best I could with it like this. I had to reach over from the top. I guess that explains why I didn't get quite everything there, but when you look at it from right here, that looks pretty decent, and then that board's gonna be up there, nice and painted. So I got the front of that done. And the front over here done now. So that board can go back in. The board ain't going back in until I paint the top of the cab. I'm gonna reach it from inside the box. And on another note, the mirror came in today. And I had somebody pointed out to me that this stuff was bent up. So using that 5-foot board, I put the 5-foot board here. In this part, I actually smashed it down with a 2-pound hammer with the board right here and got those straightened out. And then what I would do after that, I had this with a couple of big washers and a nut, and I would put it up through here like that with the big washer on each side and the nut, and I was taking the impact and I'd smash them together so they'd all be all the same. Not quite the same up there. I used pipe wrenches up there. I didn't think I was going to be able to make it work, but I got a pipe wrench on it and it just worked really good. But I did the same technique, you know, with this setup. And then I got up there with the impact and basically smashed them all together so they'd all be the same. And then I just put the original nuts back in to hold it. Yeah. So I am building this brace. I've already started on it, but my tubing is only 1/2 inch and this is 3/4, but it's still gonna work. It's gonna look a little rough, but hopefully I'll be able to clean it up and get it painted. So it'll kind of blend in. The mirror's really nice. It's a chrome backing. It's actually a 1/2 inch shorter than the original, but we'll fit it in here. It won't be any problem. I gotta make little brackets still. I'm not done making, I'm just making the hoop right now. That's what I'm calling it anyway. Right now I'm just making this outside piece. And then we'll make little brackets and put the mirror in it. So yeah, quite a day. But I'm only on this in the afternoon. Yeah, so this is John Rudy with Rudy Racing signing off.